And as we wind down this earnings season, let's take a look at how Nifty companies are performing in Q1. My colleague Sharad joins with earnings roundup. Sharad, over to you.
Largely in line to mixed set of numbers overall has come for the first quarter. And as for the ET Now tracker, which we have made, above estimates, 13 numbers have come in. Below estimates, the number is 8. Inline and mixed majority coming in roughly 29 odd companies. That's almost 30% of the total composition. But from Motilal Oswal, they have also stated that the aggregate earnings in their universe that has stood up at 11% versus a 9% growth estimate. But the dismal part is that Nifty has seen fifth straight quarter of just a single-digit PAT growth. That's a cause of concern, and that's why we might see some EPS downgrades in larger names. And Nifty has seen the fifth straight quarter of this important growth. Also, the overall modest earnings growth have been anchored in the sector-wise, but of course, from the SPAC, cement, oil, gas has done well. Healthcare segment and the NBFC lending in certain portions have done well. PSU, banks and technology have been even Stevens, but from loss to profit is telecom, and today also the telecom stocks are buzzing in trade. Auto, however, has seen a dismal performance of a 3% degrowth. Now, out of the 25 sectors in the coverage so far, for Motilal Oswal, 8 have been above estimates, 13 in line, and only 4 have come below the estimates. And this is the sectoral preview coming in. Interestingly, 5 Nifty companies, Bharti Airtel, Reliance Industries, SBI, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have contributed almost 77% of the total growth in the earnings, which was there in the incremental portion of it. Earnings to downgrade ratio has been unfavorable, coming in at 0.6 times overall, and the overall earnings review, you see small caps have seen a miss, largely in line coming in for large caps and mid caps. Now FY26, the large cap universe growth, that is something to watch out for. 61 companies have seen an upgrade, while a downgrade for 108 companies. 10% large cap growth expectations in earnings, while it's a higher for mid cap and small cap. So the SMIDs would be in action, especially in Motilal Oswal's universe. Now Nifty EPS, that's witnessed a cut of almost 1.2% and 0.9% for FY27. 1108 is the amount which should be on focus on, largely owing to ONGC, Reliance, Axis Bank, Power Grid and even HDFC Bank contributing most to the Nifty EPS cut.